Hi, I'm Ivan from Decathlon, Kuwait.
Video.
Yes.
He's like a virus. Oh no.
Welcome to Decathlon. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Exploring and today we are at Decathlon in Avenues Mall of the Kuwait. Well, this is a sports company supplying all the sports equipments and clothing for men and women. As you see behind me, this is the men's area right now. And we have shoes. They even provide footwear also. They have like all the brand of footwear like Adidas, Nike, and lots of them. I can't list them all of them. So be with me, like, subscribe, and as always support, and let's volunteer. As you can see here, this is a FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 football over here. You can see from here. It's really special, and the price written down here. Expensive. So many sport equipment, as well as we have special clothes. When we exercise, we wear different clothes like this in playing basketball, and in exercise we wear different. We have skating. Thing. Oh, what is this? Scooters, huh? Hi. We have rims for cycles over here, really stylish sports rims, even including tires also. Look, this is what I'm telling you. Special shorts, I mean they're all different material, look, different. I don't know the material exactly though, but I mean they're all different. This is regular equipments, including as footwear also are provided in Decathlon. It's like anything you want here. Anything. This is freedom. See trampoline also. Yo, oh, it broke. It's broken. It's broken. It's already broken. We have marathon, a small one. Yo, I won the marathon. Where's my trophy? Yo, what? Yo, we have these special boats. You know this. You must have seen these boats, like going through a waterfall down. You know that scenes in movies type. This is like special volleyballs here. Really good looking. I mean, they look so good. They give me a special livery. And this is where the cycle starts.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, you wanna say something? You can explain Decathlon. Okay.
Hi, I'm Ivan from Decathlon, Kuwait. Yes. First of all, we are supplying sports for everyone. You can find for women and men's, especially for kids. So everything you cannot see outside from Kuwait, you can see here, because what we have is directly from Europe country. Perfectly. Sports you love, soccer, yes, we have. Bikes for the season of winter, yes. So swimming for the summer, it's all here. So if you want anything about sports, if you want to know anything about sports, come here. We will wait for you. Thank you.
We have classical bikes here, 707 dinar. I mean, these all are sport bikes. They all are different. As you see, they are all regular, but when you drive them, they have a different change on them. They are really like built different from the manufacturer, as you see. Just see, this is normal, right? Normal, yeah. The one I showed you there, they have like something written on them, like on the top, immediate, regular. The immediate, they have like big brands supplying over here. Shoes of Adidas. Oh gosh, I'm so satisfied right now. This is the beginner. This is 5 to 8 years, and you know, I did this 4 times right now. I'll show you a clip of it. I mean, it's so easy. You can just take one of the balls over here and like throw on them to test out. I mean, it's kind of hard, like so huge over there, but I still did it. Never give up until you try. Let's go. Oh gosh, I'm so tired now. Those basketball shots are like so tiring. Oh, we have some seats over here. Good. I mean, let's end the video now. The basketball thing is like super duper high. I'm exhausted now. So let's end the video right over here, guys. See you in the next video. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment, and support. So let's see you in the next video. Bye.